Hi, I'm Jennifer Morris, principal of J. Morris Design. Welcome to my project in Gramercy. When I started this project, it was a really modern townhouse, and our job was to bring in the warmth and joy that the owners were looking for. Come on, I'll show you around. When you come into this home, this is the first space you see. It's the formal living room, but we wanted to take the formal out of it. One of the first pieces we selected was this tete-a-tete. It brings in some great traditional detail that was missing in the architecture and that our client really loved. You really just want to sit here and relax. So one of the forgotten elements of any room is the ceiling. In this space, we used a chevron wood veneer. It really ties into the colors of the existing limestone fireplace and is a good friend to all the other finishes here. Kitchens are the heart of a home. And one thing that you always forget to put in a kitchen is artwork. This artwork is actually a collection of real poles. They're butterflies created by an artist, Ted Muehling. Hardware is the jewelry of cabinetry, of furniture, and this is next level. The lighting that we did here is artsy, and they created hand-blown glass bulbs that is its own feature, but doesn't block the outside. This floor brings you from cozy, comfy to bright and airy, but let's go down the playroom to have some fun. So I had an opportunity to create an amazing play space for two amazing children. So I brought in smart playrooms. They're experts in creating kinetic spaces and making a space fun for kids. Monkey bars, foam pit, swings, 2 zip lines. The wall cover that we picked is actually more durable than drywall, and that's really going to be important when kids are bouncing off the walls. The wallpaper on the ceiling actually has a secret acoustic backing, so it's softening the sounds as they're bounced around in what is a pretty hard space. This space is every kid's dream, but I'm not going to lie, I've tried and enjoyed every single one of the things in this space, and you have to drag me out of it. This is the family room. This is where you're hanging out, watching movies, snuggling. So how do you bring joy into a space? There are lots of studies how bringing in nature reduces stress. This is a bespoke piece of wall covering. Autumn and butterflies, every single parts of these speak to my client. For the light fixture, we wanted something really dramatic that matched the scale of the room. Working with ochre, we created a huge piece that still feels light and airy and doesn't take over. This sideboard is stunning. It has so many special elements to it. There's the hand-painted murals of animals. It has gorgeous gold gilded doors, and it's wrapped in a lacquer envelope. And another way nature's brought in is nature itself. We have this wall of windows. You can enjoy nature all seasons. This primary bedroom is an accumulation of all the ideas that we've used in this house. It has color and warmth, it has hints of nature, and it brings in craft and bespoke elements that you're never going to find anyplace else. A vanity is a real luxury. This one especially. It collaborates with Asian craft and European sensibilities and is so special in this little niche. My client loves to wake up in this room. The sunrise sunset wallpaper is just the right reminder that every day is a new day. This project is an interesting challenge. We started with a modern home and we wanted to create warmth and joy. We did that with nature, art, and bespoke elements. I hope you enjoyed this tour.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?